Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get seats together on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Trainline application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Trainline if you already do not have a profile. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the search where you can go and search the destinations, lifetimes, and tickets in one place. And also when you do that, we have My Tickets where you can go and check out all of the tickets in one place that you already bought. And also in the bottom right corner, we have Account where you can go and check out all the information about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can get seats together on Trainline. So if in the first place your seats are not grouped together, then either the train is full, only limited availability is left, the ticket types you have booked don't match. Two separate bookings were made independently of each other. So if that happens guys, all you need to do is go and buy the tickets in the same time. So do not go and buy them from two phones, just buy two tickets from one mobile phone or one website, wherever you want to buy them in the same time, and your tickets will probably be together if the availability of that group of tickets is of course available. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.